Greetings everyone. In my last tutorial, I talked about creating an attachment to a document or some type of file to an Act contact. So in that example, I attached a logo. And here you see it behind or underneath under the Documents tab of this particular contact. But the question is, how do you open it? Well, I'm using Act Premium Cloud. If you're using the desktop version, it should just open for you unless you've moved that attachment or that file. If you've moved it to a different spot, it's not going to know where it's located. But in the cloud version of Act, if you look right here at the paperclip, I'm going to click on that. This option pops up to remind us that if we change something, we have to resave it. I'm going to click OK. And then up in the top is an option to open the file that I just saved or clicked on the attachment or paperclip. So I'm going to click on Open. It opens it up, and there it is. That's the file. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Thank you very much. Be well.